Welcome back to another video on Git. Today we will cover what Git is and why it is a crucial tool for modern development. And then we will dive into the practical side of things, integrating our existing SAP CAP project with a Git repository in SAP BS. So let's get started. So what is Git? So Git is a distributed version control that tracks the changes in your code, maintains a complete history of your project, and facilitates seamless collaboration between developers. It is an essential tool for managing software projects efficiently. So let's talk about the key features of Git. So with Git, you can create branches to work on new features or bug fixes independently. Once ready, merging allows you to integrate these changes seamlessly into the main code base. Git enables the multiple developers to work on same project without conflicts, fostering smooth teamwork. Git keeps a complete history of all changes, allowing you to review, debug, or revert to earlier versions whenever needed. Now that we have understood the basics of Git, let's jump into the practical part, integrating an SAP CAP project with a Git repository. So we will use our previous project for this demo. First, create your GitHub account. Once done, click the New button to create a new repository. Enter the repository name, ideally the same as your SAP CAP project. You can choose to make the repository public or private, and then click Create Repository. Now switch to SAP BS. Open your CAP project and launch the integrated terminal. Run the following command step by step. So first command that we will run is git init. So this command basically it initializes your Git project. Now we will run a command git add dot. So this will stage all the files for the initial commit. Now switch to the GitHub repository you created, and under quick setup you will notice that there are two options. So we will use the second option, push an existing repository. Now run this commands in the terminal. So first we will copy this command git remote add origin and the repository URL. We will copy that and we will paste it here. So this will link our project, SAP CAP project, to the Git repository. Next we will add the branch main. Then we will commit the initial changes. And then we will provide a basic message, a first message, initial commit. So what commit will do? Commit will basically store the changes locally. And then finally, we need to push these changes to our remote repository, which we have created on GitHub account. So for that, we will run a command git push -u origin main. That's it. So once done, your project is successfully pushed to GitHub. So you can open your GitHub remote repository and you can click this reload button. So once reload, you can see your project changes has been pushed to remote Git repository. So we have this schema.cds file and as you can see, the entity books. Okay. So let's see how to push new changes. For this demo, we will add a new entity in a schema.cds file located in DB folder. So let's add an entity authors, key ID integer, let's add name as string. Now when you open a source control tab in SAP BS, you will see all the recent changes, including a detailed different view. So to push these changes, click the plus icon. So this plus icon will stage all the changes. Now add commit message, added authors entity, and now click commit button to save the changes locally. Now finally, click the sync button to push these changes to your remote Git repository. And just press OK. And that's it. So your new changes are now live in GitHub. So you can just go back to the GitHub and click reload button. Okay. I hope this video helped you integrate your SAP CAP project with Git and manage changes effectively. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.